Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have another great product from Edifier. These are the NeoDots Earbuds. They look and feel absolutely amazing. You guys are gonna see in a second. So this is the box for it. This is how they look. High resolution wireless audio, LDAC, active noise cancellation, all the bells and whistles, all the latest technology. On the back right here we have some specs. So active noise cancellation, BA driver, 3 mic, ENC, wireless charging, multi-port connection, and wearing detection. So they will detect when you wear them or not, and they will put them on standby or they will activate them. Also it's got a charging case which will keep the earbuds themselves charged for a little while. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the box. Let's go ahead now and open the box. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside the box, and after that I'm gonna show you guys how to pair them. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So we have a safety information card, we have a user manual. As always, give this a read. It will tell you more about the earbuds, what they can do, what they cannot do, and also it will give you an insight of the features that it has. We have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable used for charging. We have a spare rubber ear adapters, so it will fit to various sizes of ears. They come with the medium one, which will fit most ears basically. And this is the case. It's absolutely amazing feeling. I love the design of this case. They've done a really good job. Have the Edifier logo on the top, USB Type-C port on the back, use it to charge. If you flick it up, we see the earbuds right here. So if we take one out, just like so, we can see more detail. So as you can see, it's got these two pads right there used for charging. It's marked L for left, so they're marked left and right. There will be no confusion while using it. The mic arrays are all around. Yeah, they look absolutely amazing. They feel really good. They're not too light or not too heavy either, so definitely premium quality. They both look amazing and also feel amazing. And the best part is, when they run out of battery, you can just pop it in there and it will start charging. Absolutely amazing. I love it. So yeah, pretty much that's it of what you get inside the box. Let's go ahead now and pair them and maybe play some royalty-free music. I'll get the microphone of the camera closer, maybe you guys can hear something, and I will conclude it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so music is currently playing through them. The setup was really easy. All you have to do is basically open this case, take one earbud out, open your device Bluetooth settings, look for Edifier NeoDots, click pair, and that's it. You only got to do that once. They sound absolutely amazing. I put them in my ear. I'm not sure if you guys can experience this, but I will try get this close. They sound really amazing. The volume is also not very loud and not very low, so it's the perfect amount of volume. I'm really impressed. They've done quite a good job with these earbuds. And yeah, basically that's it. If you guys want to buy them, I will have a link in the video description down below so you guys can check it out. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.